In this video, I'm excited to introduce the brand new generation of the table element used in Gen 2 editor in PageFly. This updated table element is perfect for creating product comparison tables, pricing plans, product specifications, and many other use cases. To access new table element, you'll need to use the Gen 2 editor. Next, let's access table element in the page editor. Head to the left-hand sidebar, click on the PageFly elements, scroll down to find table elements. You'll discover 6 versatile table styles, crafted to match today's most popular designs. All are fully responsive, ensuring perfect viewing on any device. Drag and drop the one you like in the page editor. I will choose this one. Feel free to personalize the pre-made tables or add more information to make them perfect for you. Here's the table I created after adding some content. It is ideal for comparing products. If you'd like to create a pricing plan, you can use the 4th variant. It's time to dive into the new table element and see what's changed. The table element structure will include table rows, table columns, and table cells. In the General tab, you have the flexibility to add, remove, or reorder rows. You can also enable a fixed header row at the top of your table. Enable top row header. You can do the same thing with the column. The table column allows you to control the width of each individual column. Selecting fill will automatically resize the columns to fit the table perfectly. By choosing Hug, you can customize a specific value for it, and the table will automatically scroll on mobile or tablet devices. With this update, you'll have the flexibility to adjust table borders, including table column, table row, and table cell. It's as easy as customizing borders in a spreadsheet software. If you want to reset, click on No Border option. To make the table more appealing, you can adjust the parameters in the Styling tab. For example, I'll change the background color of the top header. You can customize the columns or even the entire table in a similar way. Let's move on to configure up the table cells. Each table cell will correspond to one flex block. You can add more flex blocks or basic elements like headings or images and customize them like a regular flex block. Click on the table cells. You will see the inspector toolbar with many setting options. You have the flexibility to style each cell individually. Click on the mobile or tablet view at the top of the page, and you'll see how the table adjusts automatically. That's it. You're now equipped to create beautiful, functional tables in PageFly. This is the end of the video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos.